Hello, hello, hello. I arrived in POP, Puerto Plata, here in the Dominican Republic after a very, very beautiful drive from Samana to here, alongside the coast with a lot of palm trees as you saw and beautiful ocean, fresh fruit. So this is my hotel. I booked it on booking.com. It's actually a villa in a very, very nice neighborhood for $20 US a night. And let me show you what you get here in Puerto Plata for $20 a night. This is incredible. Place my suitcase right over here. You have a living room with a fridge. You get your complimentary water bottle. That's a nice little touch, which I really appreciate. This is the very good neighborhood with the mountains in the background. You have a nice little kitchen here. And the most important thing, a big bed. And actually you have a second bed if you have children or something. Oh yeah, and a small tiny bathroom. And most of all is, this house is super clean. And the lady with her husband are so friendly. Man, this is very, very nice. And they have a pool. It's not in operation yet, but just look how this house is maintained. You can tell. $20 a night. What? I found it. Arab food. There it is. Lebanese. Let's check it out. Assalamu alaikum. Alhamdulillah. Okay. Lebanese restaurant in Puerto Plata. Sam shawarma. And here you go. Chicken shawarma and fries. Napkins, of course. It's a little bit small, so maybe I will take a second one. Or eat this, have some fun in Puerto Plata, come back and eat something again. So this is the Umbrella Street.
¿Quién le dio primero?
I guess this is the street where a lot of Instagram ladies would love to be, to make Insta pictures. Rainbow Gift Shop Factory. Japanese flag, German flag. Where's the Moroccan flag? A lot of art. Messi, of course. Did they made it before or after the final? Argentina. It's a little bit washed out. I don't even recognize the flag as Argentina anymore. I don't see the blue color. And here we are, Puerto Plata, Dominican Republic. I don't know what Puerto Plata means. If you guys know, please put it on the comments down below. The only thing I know, because I watched some Netflix series about Pablo Escobar, and they say plata o plomo, and it means money or the bullet. So Plata is money, Puerto is port, This city is called Port Money. I guess this is the place where all the money comes in. There is a lot of wind on the Malecon of Puerto Plata. The waves are coming in, but it's very refreshing to walk on the Malecon while there is some fresh wind, because the sun is shining really hard. Those painted boats, they make the difference here on the Malecon. Alright, so that building over there is definitely the most strangest building I've seen so far here. Let's get a closer look. Okay, so the building is actually from the fire department. Let's try to walk over this, how do you say this in English? We say zebrapad in Dutch. Anyways, cars should stop when trying to walk over here, but not in this country. Look at what's going to happen. Oh, nope. Even when I'm filming, they're not stopping. This is risk for your own life. Alright, so this is it. It says Cuerpo de Bomberos, the body of the fire department, something like this. I know the word cuerpo is body. I have some followers on top of the building. Pigeons. The location is great. This sign is international, right? Not in this country. Let's test it out for the second time. You see what happens here? Nobody stops. Nobody. This is crazy. Even the public bus is like,
get out the way, bitch, get out the way, move, bitch.
You still think it's a coincidence? Let's try again. Take 3. Whoa. Run! You have to run for your life, man. You have to run for your life in this country. When I came here in the Dominican Republic, I thought it was unsafe, but it's unsafe in a different way. Not the people are great. The traffic is unsafe. They have to edit the information about Dominican Republic. The only thing I read is that the country is unsafe and it's dangerous and blah blah blah. No, it's not. It's beautiful. The people are great, but they cannot drive. They don't know the traffic laws. That's the only thing here in this country. You can walk wherever. This is the old square, the Independence Square, with all the beautiful colored houses. They call them the Victorian houses, like in San Francisco and in many other places. Let's see this ice cream parlor. I really want some ice cream. Let's see. Nobody stops, of course. Let's check it out. Ice cream and cakes. I want some ice cream. Strawberry, hazelnut, lemon, of course, lemon and pistache. Pistache and lemon. Hola. Hola. Dos bolas, por favor. Pistache and lemon. Here we go. Gracias. Alrighty. I want to feel free. So let's eat it at the Independence Square, because I'm independent woman. Man. I'm not a woman, right? Whoa. What happened? I wanted to film them, then they all flew away. Oh, holy cow. This is sick.